A show of kindness is all that's needed when strangers meet from the start. Like the touch of her fingers, a gentle laugh that lingers, and slowly it brightens your heart. A show of kindness from one who's tender is all the light you may see. With her arms out to guide you, forever there beside you, to tell us how simple and free a showing of kindness can be. A show of kindness from one who's tender is all the light you may see. With her arms out to guide you, forever there beside you, to tell us how simple